It's just 1 metre high and 35 centimetres across, but its makers claim it's tough enough to stop one of those. Substitute for the potential explosive payload in the back, we're using a slightly more inert substance, bags of sand. The truck is stopped dead. Though the cab and a shower of debris carries on forward, there's no way it would be going anywhere after this. Bollard is enveloped in wreckage, but how has it taken the impact? Amazingly, it looks totally intact. Even more amazingly, it still works. The test is a complete success.